For as long as I can remember, we had lived in China. It was the place I loved. It was the only home I had ever known.